Money Magnets, let's dive into why you should start banking with this secret Nassau credit union.
You know what I love about it, Glory? It's open to everyone and it's very easy to join.
Okay, Marvin, let's look at some of the products that this credit union offers. We're going to first start with the Visa Advantage Rewards card.
Okay.
Now, Marvin, these cards are really amazing because they give high limits. We're talking like $30,000 limits, okay? Now, with this particular credit card, you get 1 times the point reward points for every dollar that you spend. And one thing that I love about these cards with Nassau Credit Union is that, Marvin, there's no annual fee. There's no foreign transaction fee, and there's no balance transfer fee. So if you have a high limit with another credit card and you want to do a balance transfer, guess what? You don't have to pay any fees to do that. As well as they give you peace of mind, protection, so like if anything happened, guess what? You're covered. Okay, Marvin, let's look at the next card that they offer.
All right, Gloria, they have the Visa Platinum Cash Rewards card. All right, you get unlimited rewards, 1.5% cash back on every purchase that you make.
Okay.
You got flexible repayments, no extra fees. Like you said, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, no annual fee. And the great thing, the rate will only be 17.49% as of this recording, as low as 9.9% APR on the balance transfer fee. So like Gloria said, if you get a $30,000 limit, this will be great to pull another balance over from a card. And remember, try to do that when you apply for the card. Try to do a balance transfer at the same time. It could help you get that $30,000 limit. All right, Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, Marvin, let's look at the Visa Classic credit card. Now, this credit card comes with a fixed interest rate of 12.4%, so that's pretty good. A lot of cards now are at 18%. We're talking about 24%. So this is a great card to look at, if you're looking at something for a lower interest rate, okay? And I still love the fact that there's no foreign transaction fees with this card as well as, there's no annual fee. Those annual fees can get up there.
Yes.
So when you're talking about cards that don't have an annual fee, I'm all for it. The rewards are not as good, Marvin, but at least you have the opportunity to pay a lower interest rate and you don't have to pay that yearly fee, okay? Also, they have available, Marvin, is the shared secured Visa card, okay? So if you have some challenging credit, then you know what? This credit union is still gonna welcome you with open doors because you can get the secured card. And from our data points, we've seen it where people had lower credit scores and they still were approved for some of these cards because Nassau not only looks at your credit, but they look at we talk about the body of the credit.
Right.
Like what accounts do you already have open? So this credit union is not as conservative and they're willing to give you the opportunity. So take the opportunity and start, building credit and look at this particular credit union.
Look, and they also have a business side. And guys, remember, we help people get funded for their businesses all the time, up to $250,000. If you guys are interested in getting your business funded, make sure you book one of our free business strategy calls. And Gloria, let's tell them about the personal loans next.
Now, Marvin, one thing I do want our money magnets to know is that you can check and get pre-approved for these cards without even getting the impact to your credit score. So that right there is a cash flow changer, and it can keep you from getting inquiries that you don't want.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's dive into the personal loans. Now, their personal loans go up to $30,000. That right there, hey. Who couldn't use $30,000 right now, Money Magnets? I know that I could, okay? So it has a low fixed rate, as well as it gives you 84 months to be able to pay this loan back.
Right.
And the rate for this card is under 10%. Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
One thing that I do love about their loans, Marvin, there is no prepayment penalties, okay? And no obligation fees. Like a lot of times when you close on loans, they give you all of these junk fees.
Right.
But Nassau is saying, hey, we're not going to do that. We want you to bank with us.
The good thing about this, if you have a lot of high balances on your credit cards and you had to consolidate all of them, 30 grand gives you a lot of money to consolidate those. And guess what? When you bring those utilizations down, now your credit score goes up. So think about this personal loan. Also remember, guys, you got a quick delivery of funds, which means you probably get the money as little as 48 hours. But Glory, let's tell them about the auto loans that they have.
Okay, Marvin. Now with the auto loans, one thing that I love is that you can get finance up to 84 months. Now, money magnets, that can be most definitely a cash flow changer for you because you can extend the amount of time that you have to pay for your car. Okay, they also do new cars, used cars, as well as if you have a car and you want to get refinanced, this is the credit union that you may want to look at for that.
Yeah, because you could lower your payment. To say you went to a local car lot just to get some, you had a bad credit score. Now you can refinance over here, get a rate maybe as low as 6%. Then I want to ask you guys, hey, if anybody has any experience with Nassau Federal Credit Union, please comment below. We love to make sure that we're up with the current data points and if they made any changes, because you know what? These YouTube videos really change credit unions sometimes. But Glory, let's move on to the home mortgages. Guys, I love their mortgages. They have a 0 down payment. They have a 0 PMI on the mortgages as well. So you can walk into a house with literally without putting anything down. This is very similar to Navy Federal's 100% mortgage. So guys, if you're looking to buy a house for the first time, look, Nassau Mortgage is a great option because now you can take that down payment money and use it to buy furniture or remodel a little bit if you wanted to make the home more comfortable for you.
And one thing I love about the first-time home buyers, you don't have to have perfect credit for it. And the other thing that I love about this is that PMI adds up, Marvin. That adds like maybe $200 to maybe $400 to your mortgage every month. And that's money that you can keep in your pocket.
Exactly.
And Marvin, another good thing that they have is they have the FHA loan, which, you know, like I stated, you don't have to have perfect credit for this. This is good for first-time home buyers. You know, if you're looking to get your first home, this program is a program that you may want to consider.
And also for you veterans, they also have a VA loan where you can put very little money down and get into a home almost at 100%. And guess what? People that serve in the military deserve loans like this.
Most definitely.
And one other thing, Gloria, they have reverse mortgages.
Oh, wow.
That was interesting. So, you know, if you're older and then you got a lot of equity in your house, you can start to pull that equity out of your house with a reverse mortgage. So, Gloria, let's tell them how they join, what bureau they pull, and what do they have to do to start a relationship.
Okay, yes, let's do this quick recap, Marvin. So, money magnets, they do pull Experian, okay? And it's a soft pull. Okay, so, and anyone can join this credit union, but you do need to join the organization of the National Space Society, you know, which is very easy for you to join. And you also need to put $5 in a checking or a savings account. And guess what? You are a member.
And look, they're going to do a soft pull on Experian. So the great thing about it, you can double dip. So they'll do that pull on Experian. Now you may be able to get approved for a credit card, a personal loan, or a car loan. And then if you accept any of those loans, it will be a hard pull at that point.
Yes. And money magnets, I will also look at building a relationship with this credit union because this is an amazing credit union, just like Navy Federal.
And guys, make sure you like and share this video. And remember, if you're a business owner, get in touch with us about a free business strategy call to help you raise more capital for that business, to help you with marketing, payroll, or even hiring more employees.
Okay, hold up, Marvin. I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, money magnets, if you're struggling with those nagging items on your credit report, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.